that song, so I can sing that version.
Oh, well, that's the first place we went to when we got here.
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah.
This y'all's first day here?
Second, right?
Third.
Have y'all been to MANITOU here yet?
Not
When
yet.
y'all leave here, go this direction down the street, go under the over.
The MANITOU Cliff Dwellings today.
We just came from ViewHouse to eat.
Eating some lunch.
And the guy at the dispensary gave us a gang of places to go to, so
He was from
Pasadena, and he gave us a couple places to go to. So now we say we're gonna hit some of them. We probably about to hit this one and then hit the bed. You know, after you ate lunch, don't look at me like that. So yeah, we about to walk up this hill or whatever we about to do.
So right now we are at the MANITOU Cliff Dwellings in Manitou Springs, Colorado, and we are looking at some beautiful ancient structures. We see some windows right now and some living quarters of our ancient people.
Really?
Yes.
Your ancient people?
I said our humans.
Cool.
Ooh, dinner call. Ay, look at these. Los perros. Oh, yeah, those are cute. I want one that looks, oh, see, now I like these. Yeah, those are actually not bad at all. All right, come on, Mom. We didn't come for the gift shop, girl. We came to look at the good stuff.
I was outside.
Oh,
Trying to catch a breather.
you good?
Mm-hmm.
Damn! Are these deer or donkeys? Oh, they're deer. They're so cute. It's like coming down in like a sheet. What?
All these trees now.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
I don't be in the way though.
No, you're good. Go ahead. Look at Gail.
These pork car mats. They're so dirty. These pork car mats are dirty.
We are done all the driving up Pikes Peak. We did a lot of extra driving. Now we're in the area called Interquest Market, which This is like a diamond in the rough over here. Like there's a lot of stuff over here. Now we're getting ready to go bowling. How you gonna put the umbrella in when I'm trying to? Oh, yeah. So I guess we're about to wind down today and bowl.
Cold.
Maybe go to one more store, and then probably about to hit the bed.
For one more day of action tomorrow,
Yep.
and then leave Wednesday morning.
Mm-hmm.
Look at lightning!
Look at this. Mountains everywhere you turn. You walk out your door, it's a mountain. No matter where you at, mountain somewhere.
It's so beautiful. So
Okay.
beautiful. Later!
We have finished bowling
And playing video
and playing
games.
games. We are tired.
Yes,
but
we are.
we got somebody octopus hands over here on the piano
We made the
keys.
scoreboard.
So we're about to go to our one last stop and probably call it a night.
Maybe see what we can get into. Who knows?
Ain't nothing to get into at this time of night and it's raining this hard.
You
Bye.
never know.